order something from Amazon and you don't remember what you ordered? But okay, so this is one of the things I got. So it came today, and I'm guessing, I don't know, we'll look at it here and see what it looks like. So it's one of these chain pull things. So it's a chain pull with this little hook at the end. See, like that. And then it looks like it comes with two of these here. So these, and then it comes with one of those little, or two of those little things where you can kind of connect them together. So it's like the chain thing. So I'm guessing I must have needed a chain pull for one of the ceiling fans or something at one point, and then maybe it just took too long to come or something. But this is what it looks like here. So it's got the little connector that you can kind of connect it to, but it also has just these here. So this is the chain pull, but it's got the connector on the end already. But you can use it as just with the end there. So I'm guessing, got two of these, but they seem nice. They're made out of the metal chains, and they seem as durable as any other chain. I mean, I can pull on it and it seems good. So, and I'm gonna guess if I'm 6 feet, these are probably 3.5, 4 feet or so long for each one. So that's kind of what it looks like there. You can see the length. And we got two of them. So I'm gonna say these chains are interesting and whatever, but cool. I mean, they're chains. So there you go. And it seems like they're gonna work, and they're this very traditional size and everything like that. So if I put them on a ceiling fan, it's gonna work good. Probably ordered it for a different house or something for some time and just forgot about it. But that's it. And I don't know, this is the number, I guess, that came on the little bag, but cool. Thumbs up.